A strong man must stay focused. Come on, Mom.
Isn't this one just darling? Whoa, watch those arms there.
All about core. I'm really working up a sweat here. Ready for round 2. Gotta practice for when the enemy comes from behind. The plant! Not Mom's favorite.
Steven, you okay?
It's okay. Don't come in here. How is this much dirt even in here? This better not make a lot of noise. This is a waste of time. Think, Steven, think. I got it. Bingo!
Wrap those sock rubber band and slide them into the vacuum. Looks good so far. Now you can get into all those little nooks and crannies.
Perfect. Here comes Mom. Hey there, just doing my chores. See?
I sure raised a thoughtful boy, huh?
Well, I definitely am resourceful.